Happy Father's Day, everyone. I want to get on here and tell you guys right now after this video, all of this is released with brand new templates and metrics to have your charts transform exactly like this. Now, this is called Waverunner Hyper Scalper. This is going to be able to get you in as some of the best entries if you're looking to take out small little profits here and there. Now, when I mean small, these small profits add up fast. Guys, here on a 35-10 chart, which is the slower setting, I want you guys to be shooting for 5-point targets when you get these suggested buy and sell signals. Now, if you're looking at a 64-10 chart, you guys know that's when we're looking at faster markets, typically the New York session, right? That's where you can be going for 10 points after these signals get populated here. So if we look at this and all of these trades so far, this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Out of 9 of these trades here, every single one of these ended up handing out for some profit. And I say 5 points because if you take a look at this, from here to here, that was 7 points, right? Let's keep going through this. Here to on the bottom, that's about probably 5 points there. There we go, 6. That's as far as we need to go, right? Every single one of these, in and out, in and out. So what's nice with this is just use this as a quick scalper. Now you're going to notice something new on this. You're like, Justin, what the heck is that cool looking thing up top here? Well, I want to give a shout out to Steven, who's actually part of the private groups on Wednesday. He's like, Justin, I ended up putting this on the top, and I like it because how neat is this to have your signals, right? If these are our green dots, which is simply just represents the bottom down here. But you know what's so much better about this? It's right next to your buy and sell buttons. So whenever that green dot shows up, let's say you're trading like this, right? And you're coming over and you're looking at the top here, right? And you come over, boom, you're in. Bang. All you have to do is click that buy button right away. Look what happens to price. I mean, look at this. Let's just do this together real quick. So you're literally like this. You're red. Nothing's coming through, right? Where's the first green one? Boom, green. Buy. Get in right here. What happens? Take profit. Okay, you're out of that one, right? When it comes over, that's when it resets. Let's see when the next one comes through. A solid green or a solid red. When does it come? We're staying out. We're staying out. Boom. Red is in. We sell market right at this point. What happens? You shoot it down. Absolutely incredible. Coming back through. Green. Buy. Get in. Make profit. That is why this is so powerful. So now you're able to look at this on a hyper mode of being able to scalp very quickly and to understand that whenever that solid dot comes up, that's technically just your buy or sell button being clicked. Now, what you can do too, which I'm going to start doing, your ATM strategy. Well, if you're on a 35-10 and you're going for 5 points, set this to 20, right? You can have a designated stop loss of whatever you want on here. I want to leave this open for a second and actually I want you guys to know what do you think is a good stop loss on here? You know, I am a big fan of, a 2-to-1 when you're scalping. If you go 5 points down and 5 points up, I've noticed I get stopped out too much. Sometimes when you go 10 points and 5 points, it works out perfect. Now, when you have something like this, are you going to have some losses? Yes. I am never going to tell you guys this is a 100% win rate ever. Okay. Look at how many winners are on here. Let's look and see. So right here, there was a loss right here. Okay. I want you guys to know that this is not 100%, but the accuracy that this is on here, close to about 85 to 90%, is when you're going to get into these trades like this. And guess what? The choppiest parts of the market, which this was, ended up being the best results. So any other time that you have a normal market, which you're either trending in a certain day, this is going to actually work even better. So guys, I've got to say, and I got to say this like with crazy, okay. This is probably one of the sexiest looking trading charts that I've ever seen. I'm not going to lie. I have to just put it out there because this is, for me, visually, this is so easy to understand. Now, you guys, this template, everything still does have access to the cloud, right? You can still go to the indicators down here. And if you want to put on the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud, just turn it on and you go visible. If that helps with what you're doing to stay away from other areas, where if this is green, maybe you don't go short here and you only go when there's long, that is going to get into some of the best opportunities and keep you away as well. This is just another option for you guys to use with your trading style. So please pick whatever you want to use and literally do it to your benefit. If you like the cloud, use the cloud. I'm going to still use the cloud. On a 64-16 during New York session, I love the cloud. It takes things and makes it simpler for me. This when it's probably outside of New York session, when things are a little bit slower. And since it's more of a hyper scalp in and out quick, this is going to crush it. Absolutely crush it. So on the bottom here too, if you guys look, when green's on top of red, that's when you start seeing price increasing. When red's on top of green, decrease. Red's on top, or green's on top, price increase. Red on top, price decrease. Now, if you guys are still here, this means you're super interested in this. And I'm going to let you know it's Father's Day. So why not have some fun with this? I am running a sale. All of these metrics, since they have been so powerful, they are going to be increasing on July 1st to 249. Right now, this week only, I am doing a bigger sale and saying, no, Father's Day is here. This is dropped down to this price for this week only. This is the time to get on. Every upgrade that I do with these metrics, remember, is lifetime access. This is now probably 10 to 11 upgrades that I've done to all the metrics I've done here on YouTube. And anyone who's been with me from the beginning, after initially getting on, has had every bit of upgrade completely free. This is how I roll, you guys. Also, Wednesdays, I have another Take Profit Trader team call this Wednesday. Now, you get to do trading competitions, account giveaways, guest speakers, and of course, access to myself, the founder. What I like to do is every other Wednesday, I do a trading competition where I give away free Take Profit accounts to the top 2 winners. And those 2 winners during that session actually then have to show their screen and literally teach everyone how are they able to produce those many funds. I've had people make $3,000, $5,000, $7,000 within a 30-minute span and then teach everyone how they just did it. This is the best form of education you're going to get. Also, on Tuesday and Thursday, I do have Ron, who's one of my affiliates, who actually did $1,300 per account this last week. I don't know if I have any images up here. Oh, I do. Oh my gosh, here you go, guys. Just so you know, I'm not blowing smoke. I never want you guys to ever think that. Here is one for Tuesday. This was $800 per account on Tuesday. And then, oh gosh, where'd the other one go? The other one was actually $500 per account. When you guys go over and invest into yourself, please let me invest into you and give you this basically free on me. When you go over to Take Profit Trader, just use the promo code BuyFutureSuccess. And if you obtain 3 or more accounts, any size, and those stay active each week when I send the registration, which I'll actually be doing today, right after this video, these calls every Wednesday are completely free to have access to myself, other pro traders, and the first month basically on me with Ron. So is now the time to change your trading career. And if you're having some struggles, to get access to people who have done exactly what you're trying to do, getting accounts from eval to pro to payout. Yes, this new upgrade, visually speaking on this chart, is the cleanest, simplest way to understand market action and price action that I've ever seen. And I'm so excited to be able to release this. So I'm never going to take all the credit here. Guys, I have to give credit to the guys on my private Wednesday calls to say, you know what? Thanks for introducing the cloud trend. Steven, thank you for visually just being able to tell me, hey, you know what? I'm not taking anything different from what you have, but I'm just looking at this and I'm plotting this on the top because it's close to the buy and sell buttons to make it easier. Absolutely brilliant recommendation. Now it's here for everyone, and now everyone can benefit. That's how I work as a team with all of you guys here. So I'm so excited. Happy Father's Day. This is the time to get on, and I will see you guys all next week. Let's crush it next week and have a great time. Take care, you guys. God bless.